Diwali isn't complete without a bowl of homemade poha chivda. Crispy, light and absolutely addictive. Hi, this is Chef Nupur Varma from the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hind. To make our poha chivda, we need to fry our poha and the other ingredients. You can either deep fry this or roast it well. I'm putting in the peanuts, the Channa Dal, raisins, dried coconut, curry leaves, almonds, red chillies and cashew nuts. I'm mixing all the fried ingredients together. To this I'm adding sugar, dhana powder, chaat masala, jeera powder, kala namak or sanchar, red chilli powder and some turmeric. Last goes in some salt. This just needs to be mixed well.